In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money online by submitting a list. If you make a top 10 list in any category, anything that you want, and put it on this website, and you can make $100 per list, $200 per list, $50 per list. Some of them pay you for views. So if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how you can make this list within 10 minutes and how the website where you can submit this list and you can get paid a real PayPal money, guys. And this method works worldwide. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorials. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like, and share, guys. Here, this is the website called Listvist. We are not going to use one of these websites. There's other 4 websites in this video, so watch it carefully. Listvist is a website where they publish articles on top 10 list every single day. That you can see here, they publish articles on entertainment, gaming, movie, music, pop culture, and books, fantasy, history, lifestyle, science, society, and more, guys. So they actually they upset any article in any category because they want the content. And one thing they recommend is original content. They recommend don't copy others. Just this method is you're gonna copy something, but you're gonna rewrite that in the different ways, so you can avoid that fact. But you can choose one of these websites that you can see this website gonna pay $100 for submitting lists like this one. So if you open one of these lists, and you can see top 10 songs that have been stood in the test of time. So basic introduction, and the list begin from number 10 to number 1. They are the videos. If you have a video, you can add it. You don't have to make a video, you can just the YouTube link, so for example like that. And also if you have a picture, so I can show you another one like that. So you can see deadly virus, top 10 deadly virus and bacteria, that you can see simple pictures that you can get it from Google, and you can put it on the list without any issue, guys. Here I'm going to talk about first how you can make this list for free within 10 minutes. All you have to do now is go to YouTube and search for the topic that you want. For example, I'm going with a top 10 100 house, or you can see, for example, I copy that and remove this 100 cows, and you can go with the top 10, right? And you can see these are the top 10 videos, or you can go top 10 horror houses, top 10 cars, top 10 plane, something like that, right? So for example, I'm going with the top 10 100 houses. That you can see there's some trick on this video. After you search the category of the video, go to filter section. You are not going to click create a comment, because if you do, there's a bunch of old videos are coming out. These are useless for the thing. What you have to do now, you have to click this one called subtitle, which means those videos have a subtitle. So they have a script. They read through the script, and they also upload that script as the subtitle, so people are around the world not speaking English able to understand from the subtitle. That's the reason, guys, right? So these videos are top 10 videos with a subtitle. All you have to do, open one of these video. So I think I opened this video here. This is the video. All you have to do, click this one called share button, and you're going to click this one called copy. This is the link. After you copy that, you got to go to this website. It's called here. It's called downsubs.com. downsub.com. Copy and paste the link and click download, and it will extract the subtitle in a text file format. So as you can see here, if you click that, you can download that entire video script on subtitle. So because they have put the subtitle, this is the script. So this is the script of the entire video. All you have to do now is copy this script. Don't submit it, you will get blocked, or your account, they're never going to pay you anything. Copy that and put it into Google document or Grammarly or Word document. Now what you do, there's a trick here. Now go to the video, play the video like this one.
The news about this tragic.
Now after you play while you're playing the video, listen the video and split the paragraphs and split the list. So this is the introduction. I already did that, and this is the list counting from number 10, so I will break that into the list, right? So you have to do that to understand where's the list begin, where's the list end, where's the new list begin, and where's that end. So after you did that, what you do, copy this, and go to this website called spinwriter.com. I'm using Spinwriter. You can use any board that's going to rewrite articles, but in Spinwriter is more relevant. They rewrite the articles to in like a human other than other board. But if you want to get to the Spinwriter, there's a link in the description. Go and check it out. All you have to do, copy and paste the article here, click rewrite articles. It will take a couple of seconds and it will add the necessary changes to the original article to change it in your own unique articles. So wait that for a couple of minutes, guys. Now this is done. After you do, click this one, go finalize articles, and your articles is ready and you can publish it. I'm going to show you what the difference between the original articles and your own articles, guys. Now you can see here generalized unique articles that you can see. This is the title. So 100, so we can show you the proof that you can see here. 100 houses we usually just silly made up story to scare children. So if you go to my rewrite article, that you can say 100 causes we usually just a ridiculous fabricated tales to frighten kids is totally changed, and that you can see here is 90% unique. So it's better to publish. Now what you do, copy that and go to Listvist here and go to here, go to your Listvist account and click this one called more and click this one called submit a list, and it will take you to this page. Put your old details, PayPal address, and put the list. Again, for the pictures, so for example, you can see this is the article, right? So for example, you see the number 10 article. So the number 10 list is a well, it says Made a House, Iowa. So if you code that, copy that and on the Google and find the relevant image that you want and copy and paste it on there. So you can see here on the Listvist that you can submit your pictures as well here. If you can attach the pictures as well, okay, and send it to them. When they review it and if they get approved your articles, you get paid for that. So you can see at the moment this website only accepts people from US, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. But don't worry, there's other website that you can use it if you are from worldwide. So go to this website. I put the link in description. This is an amazing website, a real way to earn. So here you can see the 5 ways to get paid for making list. First one, Listvist, which is going to pay you $100 per list. Second one is Cracked, it's going to pay you 100 to 200 per articles. Third one is called a Wonders List. It's going to pay you $5 per list. For lists, you can say you can submit a list of at least 10 items containing at least 800 words to the site. Each list can include by your byline and the payment via PayPal or Payeer, guys. So again, this website you can see only 800 words is minimum enough. So you can just, if you go to this one, this article is around 1500 words. So you can make 800 word articles. Just publish to the site. If you upsell your articles, you can get paid $5 to your PayPal account. Fourth one is called List Gecko, and the fifth one is called What Culture. What Culture is a YouTube channel that based on UK. I'm gonna pay you 50 pounds, so 40 pence for 1000 views. Basically, I think they convert that into videos. So if, for example, if for each 1000 views you're gonna get paid around 40 cents. So for example, if 10,000 views, you're gonna get paid around $4. If you reach 100,000, you're gonna make 40, and if you reach 1 million, you're gonna get 400, something like that. I think something like that, right? These are the 5 websites that you can submit a list and you can get paid for that. So I hope guys you understand these videos. Basically, you're gonna find a top 10 list from YouTube and use this website called down to extract subtitle and use the any board to convert that subtitle, the entire article, your own unique articles, then publish to any of these 5 sites, and you can get paid easily, guys. That you can see on Listvist, there's a list of people are something different type of content every single day. So they will answer there because they need the traffic. So in order that they need more content, so you can just don't stop with one. Just keep uploading couple of articles, and one of the get article click that you can make $100 easily from home, guys. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.